Tneja Umoto, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and of course don't forget that notification bell so you know the next time I'll be popping another video. Guys, today's video actually is very interesting. Yes guys, as you can look at myself, you can see some changes in me. Do you see any changes in me? Comment below if you can see any changes, if you can see anything in me. Leave a sweet comment below. Before I do what I was supposed to do today, I need to answer so one of y'all guys asked me a question. How come your face looks like beautiful, young, rejuvenates? Or I don't know what you see on my face, but my face, I feel like my face is my face. A natural face, a little bit of makeup, and that's not how my face look like. But somebody was asking me, what do you do to your face? I wanted this topic to be another topic. Of course, I'll explain it on another video, but I just want to touch base a little bit. My face actually don't do anything on my face. I just use my moisturizer, I just put lotion, and that's it. But there's something that I added about 3 months ago that I feel like it's making my face more youthful, more kind of a baby face, more of something. So this is something that they call anti-wrinkle or anti-aging. So when they say anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, it doesn't mean you have to be old to use it. If you are 25 and above, I feel like you should start using anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, you know, to a formula on your face. They say that this anti-aging helps your face to look more youthful, to remove any fine lines that you have. So far, I found one of the ladies, my friend recommended me something that she was using. She was like, go try this thing, you never know. Because I looked at her face, she's like, your face looks like fine, baby. What are you doing to your face, girl? And she told me, go get this. Guys, have you seen this? It's called actually Advanced Clean Co. It's called, let me see, rosehip oil, right here. If you can see, anti-wrinkle vitamin C rich formula, supports or even skin tone. Pure vitamin E rejuvenates. All here, it has all the instructions and benefits of it, attributes, technology, and results. Benefits, they say concentrated formula helps correct visible skin problems such as redness, scarring, and wrinkles. And attributes, it says rose oil calms and hydrates any skin type for a brighter complexion and improved skin elasticity. And technology, say rose oil reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkle and enhances your appearance. So it has a lot of instructions here, readings that you need some glasses to kind of go through. But so far, I have been using it for 2 months, guys, 2 months. And it comes in this box, and it comes in this little bottle right here. Yes, the same instructions that are here are the same instructions that are in here. All you do, you can put it before. You can put your whatever moisturizer you're using. So you put it on your skin and then you follow up with a moisturizer. Or you can put it overnight before you go to bed. And that's what I do. I do both before I go to bed, and I do before I put in moisturizer after shower, and then I put it on my face, and then I follow up with my moisturizer. So it has these little droplets here. So all you do, you just get a little bit of drops. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna apply, but I'm gonna show you. So you put a little bit of drop, you put on your hand, and you wrap on your hands like this, and then you tap on your face. Make sure you massage your face, and don't forget your neck. You massage your necks up, upwards. You know what I'm talking about. You massage your face, and within 2 to 3 weeks, you can see the your face is changing, the scarring, the tiredness, the whatever that you have going on your face. You'll be looking clear. I can say you can have a clear face. That's what I meant to say. So that's what, for those ones who are asking the questions, that's what I'm doing. But this is not the topic today. Come on. I was not intending to do this, but I'll do this in the next, maybe in the future. So don't worry about it, okay? I'll talk more deeper in detail about this. Okay, so when I was talking today, guys, my goodness, you can see I am officially a lock girl. I have dreadlocks on my hair, guys. If you would not watch my video, you see how I'm growing my hair, how I'm changing my hair, I'm doing all kinds of wigs. But I have decided this year I am going to start my dreadlocks. As you can tell, guys, your girl Tneja Umoto has dreadlocks. Look, so these dreadlocks have been here for actually 3 weeks. I've not even done my first retwisting, so these are 3 weeks, but as you can tell, there's a lot of growth. Look at that, girl. Look at that. Look at that growth. Oh my goodness, look at the growth. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of growth. So the loctician told me to go back after 2 weeks. But when I was looking after 2 weeks, my hair was still fresh. My hair there was no really much growth on it. I'm like, what am I going back for 2 weeks? I'm like, hell no, I'm not going back for 2 weeks. I'm going back for 3 weeks. And today is 3 weeks. And I'm like, my hair is still looking good. I don't think I'm going back for 3 weeks. I think I'm going to give it 4 months. So I have 1 more week so that I can go back for the loctician to retwist my hair again. So that was a major update that I wanted to give you, my viewers, because you guys, you're my fans. You are my friends. You don't even know. You guys, you and me, we're just like this. So anything that I do in my life, anything that major changes that comes in my life, you know, I have to come here and tell you. And this is the major changes that has happened to my life. Because I didn't want you guys to keep asking me, what is that you have in your head? Where's your wig? Where's your natural hair? So I wanted to come here and tell you that your girl Tneja Umoto, she's officially in the lock community. So I'm studying this, I call starter locks. So this beautiful lady, loctician, she installed me. However, this was not my idea. This was one of my friend's idea. She was like, because I wanted to really, I'm tired of braiding my hair. I'm tired. My hair is not even that kinky, but it's fine. So I was like, I'm tired of wearing wigs. I love wigs. I love doing braiding hair. But hey, she was like, maybe you can try this. You're tired with the hair. Can you, instead of cutting your hair, why don't you go ahead and put locks and see how they look like? So guys, this is a trial. So it's 3 weeks. Come on, guys, it's 3 weeks. So we have the entire year to try these locks. We see what's happening. I don't know nothing about locks. I have never had locks in my life. These are my first dreadlocks. So guys, if you have had dreadlocks, help your girl. Tell me what to do with the locks. How do you take care of the locks? How do you even handle locks? How even do I look with locks? Guys, comment below. What do you think? How do I look? My head is not even fit. Is it fit for locks? Guys, I'm here. I'm begging you guys. Help me. I don't know. Tell me. Come on, guys. Don't leave your guard. I just put this little clip here just to measure how my locks are growing. So guys, but I'm so impressed so far. The growth. My hair has grown so much. The lady said that don't wash your hair. But I cheated, guys. I washed my hair. I wish, because I started itching. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna 2 weeks. And then I washed my hair and I was like, oh, did I mess it up? So I don't know what I'm gonna explain to the lady because I washed the hair. But hey, even though I washed the hair, you know, the locks are still there. And the lady told me, the loctician told me that the locks are going to take about, you can see the locking in maybe 3 months. So I don't know, but we're in the journey of growing dreadlocks, and I'm here to let you guys know that your lady Tneja Umoto, she's officially a lock star, okay? So that was my main measure. So guys, I'm gonna come closer so y'all can see the growth. So you guys tell me, what do you think of this hair? What do you think of the shape of my head? Is it worthy? Is it okay for me to have locks? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm so confused. What do you think? So I'm waiting for you to comment below. Tell me if it's okay for me to continue with these locks, or give me ideas, give me tips for those ones who have locks, because I've seen most of you, my fans, you have locks out there, dreadlocks. So let me know how you take care of your dreadlocks. This is my first dreadlocks. I'm going my first retwisting next week, so we have one more week so I can go to retwisting, and I promise I am going to show you after retwisting how does it look with retwisting, okay? How does it look? So, and I'll be updating you guys maybe after a month or 2 months. I'll be updating you guys how my locks are doing, what am I doing with my locks, what kind of products I'm using on my locks, because the loctician, she was like, after the locks I'm gonna show you what you are going to use on your locks. So right now I'm using nothing. I just put water in it and I'm going back, and after that she is going to let me know more how my locks are doing. So for those ones who are interested in starting your locking your hair or dreadlocks, hey, your girl here, we are together. Maybe I'm learning more. I'll be helping you maybe in the future. So this is a journey that I have started locking my hair. However, I'm still going to do my wigs, because let me tell you something. When I go to work, I put my wig on top, so nobody knows that I have dreadlocks growing in here. So I have to put my wig on until my dreadlocks are locked, until they're big enough, you know, long enough that you can just wear without it. So for right now, I'm kind of hiding them inside my wig. So I hope no one from my work watches this video, so you know that I have dreadlocks, okay? Guys, comment below, let me know. I love you so much. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. If you are not a member, join our membership. Let's grow this channel, let's help this channel. Tneja Umoto is my channel name, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.